Philippine authorities are sending back nearly 500 Chinese tourists who came from Wuhan. The tourists had arrived in Kalibo, that's the stepping stone to the holiday hotspot of Boracay, just before Manila announced that it was halting flights from Wuhan on Thursday night.
Authorities have arranged 4 flights to take them back to Wuhan. Aviation officials say none of them were quarantined or showed symptoms of the virus.
Separately, the Philippines has reported a suspected case of the virus. A 5-year-old boy from Wuhan tested positive in preliminary tests. Samples have been sent to Australia and a result is expected tomorrow.